Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today I am to see the interesting project game how to develop fidget spinner. So it's look like similar to ceiling fan only. So when you are the user press the space bar, it keep on start to rotate, and if you keep on press speed, the rotation of the spin also will increase here. So how to develop with the help of simple code. So for this one we can do the first line. We can do the other line, that is from turtle import. The previous session also I explained about what is turtle and why so important in the area Python library and so on. So with the help of turtle you can make lot of GUI graphics screen like that, and we can go for this one. We need support a spinner function. First we are writing the spinner, then we can give angle state, then we can give the condition 10, then by 10, and right of angle, forward of 100, and dot of 120 comma red. So just now show you like this. So we have to develop like this. So like this. So for this reason only making like this. So we are going like this, and similarly we are going to another direction where you can create the green color and back with the help size of 10, 100, 120 right is forward 100, and another one called blue color, back of 100, right of 120, and update. Then we are going to call the animate function. So once the user press the thing, what will happen? It keep on support the space bar and start to rotate. So far we are using the animate function where we are giving the condition if state 10 of greater than 0, then we can give 10, state of 10 minus equal to 1, then spinner off, then on timer of animate comma 20. Then we can give the definitive flick function, and we can give the condition of state of 10 of plus equal to 10. Then we can start continue setup of 420 comma 420 comma 370 comma 0. For the screen it will double like this, and we can give hide turtle and tracer, and we can give it just on key, flick of space. At last we can come to listen of, animate of, and done. So so it's a simple fidget spinner game. We can easily develop with the kind of source code. And so I'm going to press here. So when press here, what happen means is keep on rotating. So unfortunately, so once again I'm trying. So don't worry, when you execute the code, it will show the output properly. If I go here, so sorry for the inconvenience. So there's a problem in laptop, but anyhow, so once executed, it definitely show the screen as I told you now. Internet. Yeah. So this is a way how we can show here how we can generate the fidget spin screen with the help of Python code. So I'm stopping the record. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the show. Thank you.